Welcome to another Luminati webinar. In this webinar, we will review how to optimize your ticket search and purchasing using Luminati Proxy Manager in order to achieve high success rates. First, let's understand how the proxy network works and select the right proxy type for ticketing. I will go to the Architecture tab. My browser sends a request to our super proxy, which redirects or manipulates the request to the correct peer and to my destination website. There are three main IP types: data center, which is a machine IP, residential, which is a real user PC IP, and mobile, which is a real mobile user IP. For example, you send a request through your browser to the super proxy, which replaces your IP data with the selected peer IP, then to the destination website, and returns a result. For ticketing, do not use data center IPs. Most websites will detect this and block the request. Start with a residential IP, select your geo-targeting as United States, and you will see the number of available IPs. In my zone page, I created a residential zone with city targeting. To fine-tune my proxy, I will install the Luminati Proxy Manager, which is an open source software. You can download it from this webpage. I will go to my proxy manager. Since most ticketing websites are HTTPS, I need to enable an HTTPS certificate in my proxy manager. So here in my proxy manager, I will install the Luminati SSL certificate. Now I can create my first proxy. Selecting the residential zone I created in advance, and under preset configuration, I will select long single session. This will keep my IP during the search session. And save. I'll go to the Targeting tab and select the geolocation I want to work on, in this case, the United States. Keep in mind, when targeting any website, you can also select other countries. I will select New York. Keep in mind that if you are logging into your account on your target website, then you should keep the same geo IP as you stated when signing up. This will keep me safe against simple blocking. Now I will go to the Request Speed tab and select the same super proxy location as my targeting. So again, United States. All other fields should remain untouched. And most important for targeting, ticketing websites, are Headers tab. Here I'll select a user agent. In the General tab, I will enable SSL logs in order to track my success rate later on. I can also name my proxy. I can now test my proxy by going to the Proxy Tester, selecting a port, and we see a successful request. In order to work simultaneously, I will connect my proxy manager to a multi-session browser, in this case, Insomniac. Inside Insomniac, I will go to the Proxy Per tab extension and select Rotate Through Proxies in Order, and click Manage Proxy List. Here I can add my proxy port from the Luminati Proxy Manager. The host name and port number can be found in the Browser tab back in the Luminati Proxy Manager. I will copy the LPM IP into the host name field and the port number into the port field. In order to add IPs in bulk, you can create an Excel sheet following these instructions. Keep in mind, before starting a new session, clear your browser's cookies. In case you get a forbidden error, First thing to do is update your targeting to a different state or country. If I still get forbidden, I'll go to the Rules tab and select Status Code under Rule Type, Forbidden under To Be Scanned, and the action type is Refresh IP. In case I would like to get notifications every time this forbidden rule is triggered, I'll select Yes to send email and fill the email field below. To view my entire log, I can select the Logs tab, and to troubleshoot any issue, select Frequently Asked Questions. Thank you for joining us for another Luminati webinar. Please contact us with any additional questions.